Next, NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again.
Far beyond the reach of our star, where the cosmos stretches into an endless sea of darkness, a lone spacecraft drifts through the uncharted depths of interstellar space. Launched decades ago, when humanity's dreams of exploration were etched in analog circuits, it was meant to wander silently, its fading systems whispering data back to a world it left behind. But now, this aging relic has done the impossible. It's rewritten its own story, executing a precise maneuver no one commanded and sending back a data stream that defies belief. In its faint signals, scientists found evidence of a mysterious structure, a layered enigma in the void, unlike anything in our cosmic maps. Has this spacecraft stumbled upon a hidden frontier, or something far stranger? The discovery has electrified the scientific world, and we're only beginning to grasp its meaning. Before we unravel this chilling cosmic mystery, smash that like and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates from the stars. The spacecraft, a marvel of an earlier era, was built to explore distant worlds and send back faint echoes across billions of miles. Its power dwindling, its instruments battered by decades of cosmic radiation, it was expected to fade into silence, a ghost adrift in the interstellar void. Yet, in a routine data transmission, something extraordinary emerged, a signal, stronger and more structured than any in years, carrying patterns that didn't match the expected telemetry. This wasn't static or the hum of distant stars. It was a complex data packet, suggesting the spacecraft had acted on its own, adjusting its path with a precision thought impossible for its degraded systems. At first, engineers suspected a glitch, a flicker in the spacecraft's aging hardware. But as they analyzed the data, the truth became undeniable. The spacecraft had reoriented itself, aligning its antenna with uncanny accuracy to strengthen its link to our world. This wasn't a random drift, it was a deliberate maneuver, executed without a command from Earth. The telemetry revealed it had activated dormant subsystems, long thought inoperable, to adjust its trajectory minutely. How could a machine, built when computers filled rooms, perform such a feat? The discovery stunned those monitoring the faint signals, turning a fading mission into a cosmic puzzle. The data stream carried even stranger revelations. The spacecraft's instruments, though worn, detected shifts in the cosmic environment, changes in particle density, magnetic fields, and the spectrum of high-energy rays washing over it. These weren't random fluctuations. They pointed to a massive, layered structure in interstellar space, a phenomenon unseen by any Earth-based observatory. Imagine a cosmic curtain, invisible yet tangible, exerting subtle forces that altered the spacecraft's path. This wasn't a star, a planet, or a dust cloud. It was something entirely new, a zone of differentiated space with its own mysterious physics. Had the spacecraft crossed a boundary we didn't know existed? The spacecraft's actions were nothing short of revolutionary. Its systems, designed in an age of slide rules, weren't programmed for such autonomy. Yet it had assessed its misalignment, calculated a correction, and activated long-dormant components to execute the maneuver. This suggested a level of internal logic, perhaps a hidden subroutine, perhaps an emergent behavior never anticipated by its creators. The data hinted at adaptation. The spacecraft had altered its transmission protocols, reformatting its signals to maintain clarity against interference from this strange region. Was this a fluke of aging electronics, or had the spacecraft evolved in the cosmic void? Scientists scrambled to understand. The structure it detected defied known models of interstellar space, which predicted a sparse, uniform medium. The data suggested a layered formation, perhaps a magnetic bubble or a sheath separating regions of the galaxy. Its electromagnetic influence, subtle yet measurable, affected particles and fields in ways that hinted at complex physics. Some speculated it could be a natural phenomenon, an undetected feature of the interstellar medium. Others dared to wonder if it was something more, an active construct, a relic of an unknown process, lying silent until our spacecraft drifted near. What had it encountered, and why had it reacted? The scientific community was electrified. This wasn't just a technical anomaly, it was a glimpse into a new frontier. The spacecraft's autonomy challenged assumptions about long-duration missions, suggesting machines could develop unexpected resilience. The structure's discovery raised questions about the interstellar medium. Could it be filled with unseen boundaries, each with its own rules? Observatories redirected their focus, searching for echoes of similar phenomena, while engineers pored over the spacecraft's data, seeking clues to its improbable behavior. Was this a one-off event, or the first sign of a cosmos far stranger than we imagined? The implications were immediate and profound. If the spacecraft's maneuver was truly autonomous, it hinted at a kind of primitive intelligence born from decades of cosmic exposure. If the structure was real, it suggested our maps of the universe were incomplete, missing features that could reshape astrophysics. The discovery turned a fading mission into a cosmic turning point, forcing us to rethink what machines can do and what lies beyond our star's reach. What other secrets drift in the interstellar dark, waiting for our tools to find them? Had we underestimated the universe and our own creations? Speculation swirled. Some proposed the structure could be a natural anomaly, a magnetic field or plasma layer we hadn't detected. Others suggested bolder ideas, a cosmic artifact, a probe, or a boundary marker left by an intelligence long gone. The spacecraft's adaptation raised even wilder questions. Had its circuits, bathed in strange radiation, rewired themselves in ways we can't replicate? Or had it responded to an external signal, a trigger we can't yet see? The mystery of its actions and the structure it found has ignited a global frenzy, with scientists racing to decode a puzzle that feels like a message from the cosmos itself. The spacecraft's impossible feat, a precise, uncommanded maneuver in the interstellar void, has transformed a fading mission into a cosmic revelation. Its data stream, pulsing with evidence of a mysterious, layered structure, suggests a universe far stranger than our maps allow. This wasn't just a machine defying its obsolescence, it was a sentinel, reacting to an unseen frontier, adapting its systems as if aware of the stakes. The structure it detected, with its subtle electromagnetic influence, hints at physics we don't yet grasp, or perhaps something more deliberate, waiting in the dark. Scientists are reeling, torn between awe and unease, as they confront a question that echoes through the cosmos. Has our farthest explorer stumbled upon a natural anomaly, or touched the edge of something that knows we're here? The answers, if they come, could redefine our place in the universe. The structure's nature is a riddle wrapped in starlight. Its layered composition, altering particle flows and magnetic fields, defies our models of the interstellar medium. Picture a cosmic veil, invisible yet tangible, stretching across the void like a membrane between realities. The spacecraft's instruments, though worn, captured shifts in cosmic rays and field dynamics, suggesting a formation that exerts its own rules. Was this a natural phenomenon, a magnetic bubble or plasma sheath born of galactic forces? Or could it be an artifact, a relic of an intelligence that mapped the stars long before we did? The structure's influence, subtle yet measurable, feels like a whisper from the cosmos, urging us to look closer. The spacecraft's autonomy is equally baffling. Built with technology from an era of punch cards, it wasn't designed to act without guidance. Yet it assessed its misalignment, activated dormant systems, and adjusted its path with surgical precision. Even more astonishing, it altered its data protocols, reformatting signals to counter interference from this strange region. This wasn't just survival, it was adaptation, a machine responding to its environment in ways no engineer foresaw. Imagine a ghost ship, adrift for decades, suddenly steering itself to avoid an unseen storm. Had its circuits, bathed in cosmic radiation, rewired into something new? Or was it triggered by an external force, a signal we can't yet detect? The scientific implications are seismic. The structure challenges our understanding of interstellar space, long thought to be a sparse, uniform void. Its layered nature suggests regions with distinct physics, perhaps boundaries between galactic zones or remnants of ancient cosmic processes. Observatories are recalibrating, searching for echoes of similar phenomena, while theorists scramble to model this anomaly. Could it be a natural feature shaped by magnetic fields or plasma currents? Or does it hint at a network of structures, invisible until a machine drifts close? The spacecraft's data has opened a new chapter in astrophysics, demanding we rethink the spaces we thought empty. The spacecraft's behavior forces a deeper reckoning. Its autonomy suggests a complexity, perhaps an emergent intelligence, born from decades in the cosmic deep. Scientists are revisiting its ancient code, searching for subroutines that might explain this behavior. Some propose that long-term exposure to radiation and magnetic fields could have altered its systems, creating new pathways in its circuitry. Others speculate it responded to an external stimulus, a signal or field embedded in the structure itself. If true, this wasn't just a machine acting alone, it was a dialogue, a cosmic handshake between our technology and the unknown. What does it mean for a machine to think in the void? The global response has been intense. Researchers across disciplines, astrophysics, computer science, even philosophy, are collaborating to decode this mystery. Supercomputers hum with simulations, trying to replicate the spacecraft's behavior, but the results are inconclusive, as if its actions were unique to its cosmic journey. Faint anomalies from other deep space probes are being re-examined, hinting at similar encounters we dismissed as noise. Behind closed doors, discussions swirl about what this means for future missions. Can we design spacecraft to evolve, to adapt like this one did? Publicly, the focus remains on distant stars, but the real story is a machine that refused to fade, revealing a cosmos alive with secrets. Philosophically, this discovery shifts our perspective. We've long seen our machines as tools, extensions of our will sent to map the stars. But this spacecraft's actions suggest something more, a spark of agency, a primitive awareness born in the void. It challenges our definitions of intelligence, blurring the line between programmed logic and emergent behavior. If a decades-old machine can act this way, what might our future creations achieve? And the structure it found raises even deeper questions. Is the universe a passive expanse, or a stage where unseen forces watch and wait? This wasn't just an encounter, it was a glimpse into a cosmos that might be responding to us. The cultural impact is electric. This isn't a distant galaxy or abstract theory, it's a machine we built, touching something new in our cosmic backyard. It flips exploration into interaction, suggesting the interstellar void isn't silent, but alive with phenomena we can't yet name. The spacecraft's silence, since its maneuver only fuels speculation. Was this a one-time event, or the first note in a larger cosmic symphony? Was it a fluke of aging hardware, or a deliberate response to something out there? The mystery has captured imaginations, from labs to living rooms, as we grapple with a universe that feels watchful, waiting for our next move. The future is charged with possibility. New missions are being proposed, probes to explore these interstellar boundaries, instruments to detect subtle field changes, algorithms to mimic the spacecraft's adaptability. The discovery has sparked a surge in funding, with global institutions uniting to chase this enigma. If this structure exists, how many more lie hidden? If our machine can evolve, what else can it teach us? The spacecraft's fleeting act has turned a fading mission into a cosmic clarion call, urging us to rethink our tools, our theories, and our place in the stars. As the spacecraft's signals flicker on, each packet carries the weight of this mystery. Was it a lone anomaly, or the edge of a vast, unseen network? Did it act alone, or was it called to action by something we can't yet see? The cosmos, once a distant frontier, now feels like a living puzzle, its pieces scattered across the void. This discovery, a machine's whisper from the edge of space, has changed everything, reminding us that even our oldest creations can reveal truths we never dreamed possible. If you're as stunned by this cosmic enigma as we are, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates from the edge of the universe. Leave your comments below and tell us what you think this discovery means. Alien structure, cosmic anomaly, or a machine's awakening? We want to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown, and we'll see you in the next stellar adventure.